Yeah, we're coming up to that Y you were talking about. I believe he's going to continue on 325 south, 65, no traffic. We just passed Wilson on 225, headed towards Greenbrier. Yeah, we're still headed that way. 70 miles an hour, no traffic. Just past Wilson Road, 70, no traffic. Out East State. Hey, Noel, if you're on this channel, let State take the lead. Alright, Conway State is taking over. We're still south on 225, about 60.
62, we're up 1037 on Brocker. We are 225, headed back into Greenbrier. Just see Greenbrier signal.
10-4, head back into Greenbrier. Destination 63.
Alright, we're going about 100.
Adam 63, go at TVI PD.
Just past Mallory.
Failed TVI.
Copy, failed TVI.
No traffic. He pitted him.
Back over there. Adam 62, are you visiting? 10-4, own passenger net.
Alright? Who's this guy? Hey, man! Hey! Hey! You scuffed my fucking paint!
You hit me?
Yeah! Dickhead, we're running.